Oh, whoa, golly. I haven't like recorded anything in my room in so long, it's crazy. Nevertheless, on a previous video, I said that we got like some extra stuff coming for Daniel's car. There's 2 extra things. On this video, I'm gonna reveal one of them. Right now, actually. Da, 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 da. Yeah. We got a HALTECH plug and play for Daniel's ute. We're really excited about that. We've always wanted something HALTECH in one of our cars, and hopefully even for my car in the future I could try and get a HALTECH sponsorship, or I'll just have to cop some HALTECH for my car too. So that was 1 out of 2 things that I wanted to reveal about Daniel's car. Enough about the cars. You guys remember OTL? I haven't spoken about it on the channel in so long, but I had to rebrand. So my new brand's called Game Winning Kill. So I got this t-shirt, got this design. I'm gonna be dropping pre-orders very soon. So if you guys are like ultra keen on copying some tees, please let me know. Because if I can like grow an amount of people to cop some tees, I will hurry out the process. So I'm gonna put some pictures up here so you guys can see exactly what they are. And also obviously the Instagram Game Winning Kill is the brand account anyway, so there's also posts on there. So you guys just saw some racing clips in Adams and Sen's car. RIP Sen, tail shaft went bye-byes on the track. You know, car things, shit happens. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that track little footage. I want to do more of that. I want to do more of that. Even in my car, I haven't even taken my car on the track properly ever. So I'd love to go do that. Yeah, so now the boys are at the front. I better go out there, they're waiting for me. We're gonna go out for a cruise, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along for like a little vlog ski, you know? Let's go.
Working hard.
Oh yeah.
Hardly working.
It's taking me 45 minutes to put this one clamp on, dude.
Hey, that's really quick.
Fuck your mind up. Waste time. I'm prone to that. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up. Who waited line? You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeling. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts.
One hand of vlog ski style with the boys in the back. I gotta stop using this camera. Not the camera, just the screen, because like it makes me look at it instead of looking at the lens. But look at us. BJJ. Look at it do these moves, bro. Funny ass guy. We just went to a car meet. Zane hosted a car meet, and we just got to the first spot, but we're gonna go get dinner because the place where we eat closes, so we're gonna dip and we're gonna get out of here. Bye. Oh my days. Yeah, I didn't even know, like, I was filming the other night, which was like on Saturday night. Obviously we went to like a car meet, but I didn't end up filming much because we kind of had to go eat dinner because we didn't know the restaurant was closing early, so we just left. So I'm just gonna pick up the vlog today. It's Monday, and today I've got to do a couple of things to finish off Daniel's car. We've got obviously some intercooler piping that needs to be sprayed that we forgot to spray. Missing silicone hoses, some clamps. So I've got to go to Autobarn, or Super Cheap Auto, whoever wants to sponsor me, to go get those parts. So first I'm just going to measure this because I don't even know if this is 2.5 or 3 inch or 2.75. I got no idea. How do you even like measure? Like, because I don't have like a floppy thing. Can you measure the diameter to make the circumference? I don't even know it. 70 mil. Wait, maybe that's how they measure it. 2.5 inch. You gotta measure it this way, eh? 70 mil, what's that? In inches. I actually don't know. Quick math, somebody, quick. 70 millimeter in inches. 2.75. Lucky I didn't buy those silicone hoses because I almost did. So we need 2.75 hose here to connect to the bottom, and then we need a 2.75 reducer to 2.5 to go to the turbo, and then obviously clamps to suit. Gonna get a door stop for that and the clamp to suit, and then I need an extra 4-inch clamp to put the air intake on. And then I'm just gonna install the battery location back in, put the battery on, put all these pipings on. As you can see, this piping needs to be resprayed. Like all these, we resprayed this, resprayed that. We don't need that anymore because we've got HALTECH, but what do you call it? So we resprayed this, rocker cover, the piping. Fuck, what else? I swear there was more. Oh yeah, the battery location, the battery part, and then the airbox part, obviously here. We resprayed that, but this piping, obviously, we just forgot. We just left it in the car. I don't know what happened there. So we're gonna do that. And I don't know, this got f***ed up. A detailer detailed the car and destroyed that. That was literally brand new, and like look at it now. Like it's just stained. But yeah, other than that, it's looking pretty good. I wrote a list down to get these parts. I'm gonna go to Super Cheap or Autobahn. Whoever's gonna sponsor me, like I said, get these things done, and I'm gonna come back, put it together, then I'm just gonna show you at the end what it looks like. It's pretty, like, it's you know what it's gonna look like anyways. It's pretty similar. Well, I've got both cars here, so I'll do a side by side what mine looks like compared to his. Because I got my brand parts are different, so the piping looks different. So you'll see the difference. He's gone a little bit like, you know, color match the piping and shit, so it looks actually really good. Alright, so I just got back from Super Cheap and Autobahn. I ended up buying these clamps, and I didn't like, it's all I had. So I went to Super Cheap and got these. They're so ugly. We've already got like 2 of these on the car and they just look so shit. And then I went to Autobahn and I found these. And these are like much better. And they're black as well. And they're just like so clean. So I got them all. Straight up. And also obviously got these 2 silicone hoses. I've got to cut this one. This one's fine. So I'm gonna install it now. Let's go. I'm just gonna quickly show you what these clamps look like, silver ones, and then I'll show you after, obviously, what the black ones are gonna look like too. That silver clamp and like obviously those ones here, down there. But yeah, I'm gonna change them all out for these black ones. It's gonna look dope, I reckon.
Can't get with it, that shit ain't authentic. Why my hope that nigga percentage? I can say that I'm high percentage. I get high cause the sky's the limit. I don't know too much pleasure with business, and sometimes you gotta make daily decisions. I done kept it right from the beginning, I find it up, peeped out the ones who pretending. At the chill, I was like in a sentence, and I'm moving in like sticks. Like I wish on my own vision. Leaving stress at that soul to get it. Stick it deep in the soul, you feel it. Feel like I just been on a minute. You for life and I'm so committed. I wish she get back to the city. Leave my whole girl read a relax. She cool so
I'm pretty much done just putting the piping on and the parts that we got that were sprayed. I couldn't put this piping on, the hot side, because I didn't get a angled silicone piece. I got a straight one, like this one. And it needs to be like, not a 45, but maybe like, I don't know, a 15 degree, 20 degree, whatever I can get really. Just because the piping doesn't actually go straight to each other, that connects to the bottom piping. So I'm gonna go tomorrow to get that. You won't see that in this video, I'm just gonna get it done. But let's show you. So we got obviously this back on with the black clamps, which looks dope to me. ECU cover, but he's not gonna use it because he's got HALTECH now. Battery's in. You can see like down here how it's not painted, which is really annoying, but is what it is. What else? Obviously Daniel got this thing from Empire, all this shit. This is painted nicely. Black clamps on this. And obviously I got black clamps for the hot side as well, but I'm just gonna get this silicone piece for it. Now I'm gonna show you my engine bay, just so you guys can see the difference. It's not like a huge difference. Obviously I have I got a throttle body, and he's got like just a Plazzy elbow, not elbow, but like the main piping. Whereas I got a throttle body. This is Process West piping. Obviously my ECU cover is silver. This is pretty similar, except this Process West piping goes like really low compared to his one. Plazzy one, it goes up. You won't be able to see it because I haven't done it yet. Yeah, pretty cool. So basically the next clip that you're gonna see is gonna be the car going on the truck and going to High Torque Performance to get the HALTECH installed, and yeah, I'll see you there.
So you go straight across the road.
Thanks, Mum. Oh, as you can see, the car's on. It's pretty exciting. It's been sitting there for so long, man. Just gotta get this guy some cash, and then I'm gonna drop the HALTECH to HALTECH with the car, so let's go.